What a start dito sa ating The Battles. Wow. Teka, sandali, mukhang speechless yung coach ninyo. So, babalikan natin sa mamaya-maya lang. Pero gusto natin mapakinggan siyempre. Ano ba tingin nyo? Coach Billy, ikaw na muna.
Ako muna. Wow. Galing niyong tatlo. Wonderful, wonderful. Palaban na palaban kayo. It really is a welcome to the battle rounds talaga ng The Voice Kids. Eh. And yung kanta kasi na pinili ni Jules para sa inyo, hindi siya ganun kadali kantahin.
Sorry na.
Hindi. Pero ang galing because every single one of them, may sarili-sarili silang character. And may mga iba yung aggressive and yung iba sweet, yung iba naman. But you guys did a wonderful performance.
Thank you, Coach Billy. Coach Paolo, Coach Miguel.
I think the three of you stepping on the stage, we would like to commend you because you three are so brave for singing this song. You blew us away. And what we loved about the performance, of course, apart from the singing, yung way that you really tried to engage with your audience. Palakpakan naman natin sila, guys.
Pero siyempre, bago si Coach Julie, gusto natin marinig sasabihin ni Coach Zach.
Ayun, sobrang natutuwa ako kasi the moment na nag-step pa lang kayo sa stage na yan, nag-start yung music, mafe-feel na namin yung energy nyo na sobrang saya-saya nyo mag-perform. Alam mo yun, mukhang mahirapan si Coach Julie dito, pero yeah.
Coach Julie, alam natin mahirap, pero sino kina Shania, Kendra, at Marian ang dadalhin mo sa sing-offs?
Bago ko i-announce kung sino yung uusad sa next round, maraming salamat, Kendra, Shania, and Marian. Nagsisilbi kayong inspirasyon sa amin dahil napakatapang ninyo. And I want you guys to remember na hindi porket hindi ko kayo pinili, hindi ko kayo mahal. Okay? Kasi lagi natin sinasabi, di ba, letting go is always the hardest part. Kahit hindi natin gusto. At proud na proud ako sa inyo. At mahal na mahal ko kayo. Palagi niyo tatandaan yan. Ngayon, kung sino yung tatawagin ko, siya yung makakapasok sa susunod na round. Ang makakausad sa next round ay si... Marian.
Congratulations, Marian. You are still part of Jules Squad. Shania and Kendra, thank you. Thank you for giving your best. Palakpakan po natin ulit sina Shania at Kendra. Coach Billy, Coach Zach, Coach Paul, and Coach Miguel. Sina Shania at Kendra are now up for a steal. So ang tanong natin, meron ba sa inyo ang gusto mag-save sa kanila? It seems na wala. So, one team down, 3 teams to go. So handang-handa na ang mga talents ni Coach Zach. Coach Zach, ikaw susunod para sa kanilang battle. And they're up next here on The Voice Kids.